Hey guys, we got a 2013 FG Mark II XR6 Turbo in today. So the customer just opted for the Kayhan version 6 head unit with a HD 1080p reverse camera as well. So that's just mounted nicely at the back here. Now as you can see, this does have the reverse sensors as well. So factory reverse sensors on this one. So I'll just jump in and show you how it looks. Alright, so just from the home screen here, as you can see, you got system settings, video, navigation, music, radio, application, phone link, which is your wireless CarPlay and wireless Android Auto, Google Chrome, AUX in, AVM, so that's for the 360 camera. The version 6 comes with a built-in 360 chip. So if you purchase that Kayhan 360 camera kit, then if you hook those cameras up, then you have access to your bird's eye and 360 degree view of your car. This is back to your home screen here. This car's a single zone, but as you can see, all these factory buttons will work exactly the same as they used to. So fan speed up, and that's your new display for your AC. Temperature down, temperature up. What have you got? So you got all your modes as well through this button. AC on, AC off. Menu takes us back home, so if we're in this page and you press menu, it takes you back to the home page. FM AM, so that brings us into the FM and AM radio. Just tap and hold the preset on that one and that's good to go. So all your steering wheel controls are fully functional as well. So just putting the car into reverse here, that'll bring up our 1080p reverse cam. This one does have the sensors as well, so if I tap the screen here and press radar, it's going to bring up our active sensor assist. So if I just back up against that roller door, you're going to see him start lighting up. And as you can hear by that beeping as well, fully active and fully functional. So this is our built-in equalizer for DTS and DSP. You've got your equalizer with your presets, plenty of presets to choose from, or you can go for a custom graph as well. Fader balance, DTS, so your different sound modes. True bass is how you adjust your individual speaker gain, basically. So front speakers, rear speakers, and then sub. So if you've got an aftermarket sub in your car with a Kayhan version 6, then this is where your main sub control is. Sub down, sub up. Got your built-in crossover, so front high pass filter and low pass, and rear high pass filter and low pass, as well as a sub as well. Then you've got your speaker delays. Just going into system settings, so I'll show you how to quickly set up your air conditioning. So if you go into factory mode from a version, scroll down and see till you see factory settings. The password for that one is 8888. You want to click on car model, Zin bus, Ford, and then depending on if you've got a single zone or dual zone, you click new Falcon single zone or new Falcon dual. Going back down to this bottom panel as well, so your hazard lights, all that works. Traction control, all working. Interior lights, all working. Door unlock, door lock. pressing the power button turns your screen off. So at night time, if you want the screen to be dark, simply press that one as well. And then lastly, just to get into all your factory car settings, you want to go into application page, car settings, and then this is how you access all your locking and unlocking settings, lighting settings. So everything that came from the car from factory is still through this system as well.